What makes MRPC good at what we do is we always want to evolve ourselves to be a more complete solutions provider for our customers.
We're truly a partner to our OEM customers to be that one-stop shop, that total solution for a finished medical device, and that we manage the entire process for them.
We're providing an in-use turnkey product from development, manufacturing, full assembly, packaging, sterilization, the entire package presented to our customer.
We're going to manufacture your components in either thermoplastic or silicone extrusion, and then we're going to take that into sub-assembly and assemblies of finished medical devices.
Exclusively all of our assembly is done in our clean rooms, whether it's Class 7 or Class 8 clean rooms. We take great pride in our clean rooms, and it's the lifeblood of our manufacturing operation.
MRPC does final assembly in Butler, Wisconsin, in Hudson, New Hampshire, and also Largo, Florida.
There's a wow factor when you walk into our facilities. There's so much technology all the way through manufacturing, through the assembly, partnering with highly technical equipment, and interacting with robotics and automation, and moving that into packaging, sterilizing, and you're dealing with an MRPC through that entire process. That's it.
The benefit of MRPC being the single source provider is a cost and quality effectiveness, and you're just coming to MRPC for the total solution.
It's MRPC. It's one provider, one solution, one source.